Hey everyone, in this video, let's answer the question about whether Suno AI is free or not. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com and we're all logged in. And essentially, the answer to the question, is Suno free? Well, yes and no. It is free in that Suno does provide you with 50 free credits daily, and each song will cost you 5 credits. Now, the way that works is if you do a single song, then Suno is always going to generate two versions of the song. And so each of those versions is going to be 5 credits. So it'll cost you 10 total, essentially. But daily credits are 50. You get 50 free credits every single day. And quite honestly, for a lot of people, that is going to be good enough. It depends on what you're looking for, what you want to do with it. But if you're just looking to find something simple, a neat little jingle for your video or something of the sort, then those 50 free credits daily will really give you essentially a version of Suno that is free. Now, there are certain limitations. If you get the subscription, then you have access to their latest version, version 4. And version 4 does have some really amazing options available with it that are not available with the free version. So if you really want to take Suno to the next level and take advantage of it, then I would highly recommend that you go with the subscription. I myself have gone with the subscription with Suno, and I'm really happy with it. The results that you get from Suno are really quite spectacular, and I've been having a lot of fun generating music with Suno. So it is free to some degree if you are not that, if being able to generate a lot of music on a regular basis is not something that's important to you, then 50 free credits is going to be more than enough. But if you really want to get in there and play around with Suno, then I would recommend getting the subscription. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.